Using transfer sales price in Simpra inventory. When a store sends items to another store, the cost of the stock items is based on the average cost at the sending store at the time of the transfer. At this stage, there is also the possibility to send these items to the receiver store at a set selling price. We call this process the sales price transaction in transfer. For this operation, a sales price list for the stock items must be prepared first. To access the sales price list, go to the Sales Price tab from the Lists module under Master Data. To define a new sales price list, click on the List button. We enter the name for our sales price list on the screen that appears. For example, we have a franchise structure and we will set a sales price for our stores. Store sales list as list name. We can write. In the sender store, we select from which store we will transfer the items. For example, we will transfer from our main store. In the receiving store, we choose for which stores these sales prices will be valid. For example, my bar store and my kitchen store. By saying, we make more than one store option. In the price type field, there are 3 price types. If we select Fixed as the price type, we ensure that no price other than the list price is entered during the transfer. If we select the price type as Dynamic, we can change the sales price during the transfer process, and then when we save the document, we update the price in the sales price list. With Fixed List Price, we can change the selling price from the list during the transfer, but after updating the document, the price in the sales price list will not change. In this way, we can choose the price type of our list. In the sales price percentage, it will add the percentage we have written in this field for all the products in the list and bring us the sales price during the transfer. For example, if we write 10% in the sales price percentage, no matter how much we cost the products, it will add 10% to all the products we have added in the list and price them. And we can start entering the content of our sales price list by pressing the Add button. From the screen that appears, we can use the Suggest from Stock on Hand section to enter products into our sales price list. In the Suggest from Stock on Hand section, since our sender store is the main store, we will see the products in the main store. If we wish, we can select our products from here. We can change the sales percentage we have determined here, or we can delete the sales percentage field and set a sales price for them. When we press the Add button, our products will be added to our list. For example, if we want to add stock items manually, 1. When we type manually, we can select our product. After selecting the product, we can also select the base unit or store unit in the unit field. In the price type field, we will see the fixed price type we have selected. However, if we want to change a price type on product basis, we can change it here. In this field, if we want, we can use the percentage rate we have created for the list. For example, %10, we can use it. In the Add Percentage section, if we want to add any percentage other than the list percentage, we can write this field. In the Add Sales Price field, we can set a manual sales price and save our product to our list by saying Add. For the products we have added to our list, for example, we can change the sales percentage, change the sales price, or change the price from here. We can change the type from this field. We can delete the products we have added to our list from 3 points if we wish. If we want to add a list detail again, we can continue to add our products from the Add List Add Detail field. To make a trial, let's come to the Transfer module and make a transfer between the relevant stores. Let's add a transfer entry. As the sender store, we chose the main store. Let's select Kitchen as the receiving store. And then we can add the products that we manually set the sales price to our transfer by saying Add Transfer Entry. For example, banana, lemon, tomato are in our products for which we set a selling price in the store price list. As stock items, let's write banana. Let's write any amount as the quantity. It will already bring €20 as the price. Since we have chosen the sales price of the banana stock card as 20 euros and the price type as fixed, the price field is fixed so that it cannot be changed. Let's say add transfer detail. Let's look for example for the lemon stock card. If we select the lemon stock card as dynamic, not fixed, if we re-enter our stock, we should choose kilograms as the unit because we have set our sales price in that unit. In quantity, when I said 10 kilograms, again, the price will appear in a writable way. The reason is that the price type is dynamically selected. After completing my transfer details, I can now saving my transfer transaction.